recipient of the Gold Showmanship. That is the highest honor that anyone can receive in the air show industry. Back in 2013, Rob was on the U.S. Freestyle Aerobatic team, and he was actually the champion of that competition. Bench outside, inside spin. Ladies and gentlemen, the inside tumble. Not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside tumbles for Rob